Hey guys, happy 4th of July. It's Mel here. Thanks for checking in. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this fun 4th of July look. So at the end, I also give you a red lip option as well. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. First, I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And now I'm just applying my favorite eye cream, the Ole Henriksen Banana Eye Cream. And since it's really hot out today, I'm using my Becca Vermatte Pore Primer. This keeps me matte in my T-zone. I love this stuff. And I'm going in with this Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation, and this is in the number shade 5. This is definitely a light to medium coverage. I started out using a sponge, but since it was very watery, I switched to a brush and that helped give more coverage. I wanted something with some coverage, but not too heavy since it was really hot out, and I wanted it to last, but not be too heavy on the skin. This definitely gives you a very blurred effect. I love this foundation for like a light to medium coverage, but it just blurs out your pores and your texture so well. Now I'm going to cream contour with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Toast. It looks super dark, but once I blend it out and then go in with concealer, it works out. And I'm just blending it a little bit more with my damp sponge. And now I'm going to conceal. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in light medium honey. I'm going to clean up that contour with the concealer. This is another great concealer. It will keep you matte and has nice good coverage and is very long wearing. And I just put it under my contour here to sharpen the edges and just clean it up a bit. And I wanted to add a little more coverage on my dark circles, so I'm using this Jouer concealer in the shade Wheat. This is another amazing concealer as well. And I'm also priming my lids with this concealer. Now I'm going to take this Essence Brighten Up banana powder and set under my eyes and my T-zone. This really brightens everything up, smooths it out. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with this Benefit powder foundation, and this is in the shade 4. I'm just setting my whole face, and I even go over my bronzer a little bit, that way when we put powder bronzer on, it won't get splotchy. So I'm going in with the Bare Minerals bronzer. I believe this is Fox Tan, or is it Suntan? I'm not sure. It's one of their loose mineral bronzers. And this has a nice bronze with a slight shimmer in it. I really love this. I'm just going over that contour, and I'm going to use this Pretty Vulgar bronzer to do my nose contour. Oh, and yeah, that happened. I fixed it quickly. That's never happened to me before, but I had some slight panic there, but we fixed it. We made it work. It's all good. Now I'm going to go in with this Alamar blush palette, and I'm going to take the shade Isla, I believe. It's the middle one. It's really beautiful. And use this for my blush. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with this loose highlighter by Artist Contour. It's called Cocoa Bling. It's a mini size, and I am obsessed with this. It's a beautiful beautiful blinding white highlight. Definitely made me feel like 4th of July. Now I'm just going to quickly do my brows, kind of speed through it with my Anastasia Dip Brow and Soft Brow. And then I'm just going to set them with the Essence Gimme Brow and Blonde. This just lightens them and sets them. Make a Brow. I think it's Make a Brow. And now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with this Rainforest of the Sea Tarte eyeshadow palette. It's really beautiful. High Tides, I believe it's called. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is Beach Therapy, and this is going to be my transition and lid shade. I'm trying something new today, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm just going to put this all over my top lid, and that's all we're going to do for the top because I want to do a pop of color for the bottom. Now I'm switching brushes to a more dense brush, and I'm going to take the color Surf's Up. It's this pretty light blue. And I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line, trying not to stab my eye, which always happens, but... And I'm dragging it all the way out to the corner because we're going to do a wing. And then I'm going to dip into the darker blue, deep blue. The shade's actually called Deep Blue. And I'm just going to do this on the outer third of that lower lash line to just deepen it. Make the blue pop a little bit more. And I'm going to take that Cocoa Bling Artist Contour highlight, and this is going to be my inner corner highlight. And then I'm going to go in with the Turtlet Silver glitter in this palette, and I'm going to put it on the inner corner. These glitters in this palette are so amazing. You don't even need glitter glue. They literally stay just where you put them, and they are beautiful. Now I'm just going to use some liquid eyeliner and give myself a wing. And now I'm just going to pop on mascara and false eyelashes. These are by House of Lashes in Siren. And I just used any mascara. I also sprayed my face before I applied mascara with my Urban Decay All Nighter. Now I'm just lining my lips with a lip pencil in the shade Natural by NYX. I didn't have one for a red lip, but any natural one will work. And then the lip color I'm going to use is by Smashbox. It's the Always On Metallic Matte in the color Maneater. This is by far my favorite red lip color. It has that blue undertone, so it makes your teeth look super white. It lasts, and it's so beautiful. And I'm not much of a red person, but this red is killing it. So here's the final look with red lips and the blue eyeshadow for 4th of July. Something easy and fun. And now I'm going to show you another option if you didn't want to use a red lip. This is by lipstick by Tarte in the shade Pink Sands if you want to go for more of a nude and keep the blue eyeshadow. So this is the second final look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy Independence Day!